What's up, fellers and fellettes, whatever else you may call your thing. So as you've seen in the last video, the prop isn't broken, so I didn't get lucky, just per usual. I figured out what it is. I stuck my big meaty claw behind the engine and felt that there is burnt rubber balls on the coupler for the engine and drive, so that shit's done. But the boat hasn't started in a while, so we're gonna see if it still runs. We're gonna start the not broken engine first. About at 100 degrees, and to keep this video not boring, let's start the other one. Or attempt to start the other one. I rebuilt the carburetor on the second engine right before the St. John's trip, before we broke the boat, so it doesn't idle real well. I gotta tune it. This one has been a problem the whole time I've had the boat, so we'll see. Oil is not milky, so that one is good. And the oil on this one is not milky either, so it's good.
Woo!
Next video should be us pulling the problem engine out, that one that you just seen run, to put a new coupler on it, which was $300 for a little rubber piece of crap. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, please help me out doing this for you guys. I love it, love breaking shit, love showing you guys. See you in the next one.